So from here we can expect two questions, no doubt about it. We already done number of videos in quadratic equations. Still I am doing some questions. So it may help in the coming examinations in eamcet. Those who are watching first time, please like and share. Let us have a discussion the question here. If the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 35x plus c equal to 0 are in the ratio 2:3 and c equal to 6k, then k equal to. So this quadratic equation compared with x square plus bx plus c, a value 1, next b value minus 35 and c value 6k. And the ratio of the roots m is to n. We know that one of the standard results, the roots of the quadratic equations are in the ratio m is to n, then the condition will be, the condition is m plus n whole square into AC is equal to mn into b square. This is the condition, dear students. So here the respective values, m value 2 and value 3, a, b, c values here they provided, substitute and simplify. M plus n whole square, 2 plus 3 whole square is 25 into a into c, a value 1 and c value 6k is equal to m into n, 2 into 3, 6, b square minus 35 whole square. So 35 into 35. So first both sides 6 you have to cancel it. Next 5 5s are 5 7s are. Next 5 1s are 5 7s are. Here k is remaining, k is equal to 7 into 7 which is 49. It is there in the first option, dear students. We'll move to another set of questions. Yeah, I'll come back in 4 minutes. Sorry for the inconvenience. For all real values of x and a in the expression. So first you have to equate the given expression as y and then cross multiply. You will get 2x square y minus 3xy plus y is equal to x plus a. Now that x plus a also bring that side. Minus x minus a equal to 0. Now x square into 2y from these two minus x we are taking common 3y plus 1. The rest of the terms y minus a equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. This is a, this is b, this is c. Since for all real values of x, since x is real, these will help in DSC mathematics also. DSC mathematics intermediate syllabus, it will be helpful for you. X is real, then delta should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, dear students. After that, b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0 here. So what is b square? Minus of 3y plus 1 whole square. So minus 3y plus 1 whole square minus 4 into a value 2y into y minus a greater than or equal to 0. So if minus multiplied by plus means it will become 3y plus 1 whole square. 9y square plus 1 plus 6y minus 8y square minus 8y into a plus 8ya is greater than or equal to 0. So 9y square minus 8y square is y square. From these two also y take common. So y, not only y, 2 also you can take common. 2 into 3 plus 4a. The remaining terms, 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Here you observe, dear students, it is a quadratic equation in terms of y, and here a is equal to 1, b equal to 2 times of 3 plus 4a, and c value 1. Expression is greater than 0. Coefficient of y square is greater than 0, and expression is greater than or equal to 0. Then we have delta less than 0. That is, this is one of the property. B square minus 4ac is less than 0. B square means 4 into 3 plus 4a whole square minus 4 into 1 into c less than 0. Are you all with me, dear students? 4 take common and bring the side. 3 plus 4a whole square minus 1 is less than 0. Next, 3 plus 4a whole square is less than 1. So 3 plus 4a is less than plus or minus 1. That implies that minus 1 is less than 3 plus 4a is less than plus 1. I want to get a value, so how to get it is? I want to get a value means first 3 I have to eliminate from here. So subtract 3 from every term. So it will be minus 4 is less than 4a is less than minus 2. I want to get only a here. Throughout dividing by 4. Minus 4 by 4 is less than 4a by 4 is less than minus 2 by 4. So that implies that minus 1 is less than a is less than minus 2 ones, 2 twos. So the value of a lies between minus 1 and minus 1 by 2. It is there in the second option, dear students. I hope everyone understand this one. Those who are watching first time, please share to the needy students. Yeah, thank you also Dr. and communications for joining. I will rub this and I will write another set of questions. Okay. The next question. 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus and so on up to infinity is equal to. So first option 2 plus root 5 into 2 minus root 5. So second option only 2 plus root 5. Third option 2 minus root 5. 2 plus root 3. So this is the next one. If x square plus 5ax plus 6 equal to 0 and x square plus 3ax plus 2 equal to 0 have a common root, then the common root is, so option A 3 or minus 3, option B 2 or minus 2, 2 or minus 3, minus 2 or 3. Yeah, this is also like this question only, but we will do it. If 2x square plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0 and 3x square plus alpha x minus 2 equal to 0 have one common root, then the sum of all possible values of alpha is the first option minus 3.5, second option 7.5, third option minus 7.5, fourth option minus 1.5. To solve this type of problems, say 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus and so on. This denominator completely, this value we can assume that y. So even this is also I only know 4 plus 1 by 4 plus and so on. Here also 4 plus 1 by 4 plus and so on. So whenever you are assuming this as y, the given problem will becomes 4 plus 1 by y is equal to y. Are you all with me, dear students? Yeah. So 4y plus 1 divided by y equal to y. Cross multiply y square equal to 4y plus 1. Bring the side 4y minus 4y equal to 1. So both sides are adding 4 on both sides. I hope you understand why we are adding on both sides. Y minus 2 whole square expansion it comes is either 5. So y minus 2 whole square, y minus 2 equal to root 5. Why I am writing only plus or minus root 5 will come, but here all plus is there, no? So that is the reason you can consider only plus y minus 2 equal to plus root 5. minus 2 bring this side, y is equal to 2 plus root 5. Y means what? Given expression only now. So your answer is y equal to 2 plus root 5. We can come to another question here. These two quadratic equations have a common root. Then the common root is. So whenever common root is there, their x square coefficients are same. You can subtract one equation from other. So x will become a quadratic common root. X square plus 5ax plus 6 equal to 0, and someone made a comment. So x square plus 3ax plus 2 equal to 0. Now you can subtract 1 from other. These two will be cancelled. 5ax minus 3ax is 2ax plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, students. From here, 2ax equal to minus 4, ax equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 2 by a. So a value, how to get it is? This a value, to get a value, this value either in this equation or in this equation you can substitute. So I am substituting in this equation. Substitute in second equation, whichever is small. X square plus 3ax plus 2 equal to 0. So in place of x, minus 2 by a whole square means 4 by a square plus 3a into x value, minus 2 by a plus 2 equal to 0. So 4 by a square, a get cancelled, minus 5 plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2 means minus 4 equal to 0. So 4 by a square equal to 4. 4 equal to 4a square. 4 get cancelled. A square equal to 1. A equal to plus or minus 1. So this a value substitute in x. So x is equal to minus 2 by a volume. So x equal to minus 2 by plus or minus 1. It takes plus or minus 2. So x value either 2 or minus 2. It is there in the second option, dear students. Similar method I am going to follow, but this equation, these quadratic equations and these quadratic equations, once you observe, both quadratic equations x square coefficients are not equal. Here, whenever both are equal, we can subtract directly and x value we are getting. But in this case, what we have to do is, two equations have common root. Here, there is no unknown value. X values are there, now we can find out the factors. 2x square plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So 2x square, 3x can be written as 2x, here minus 4 will come now, plus 4x minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So 2x into x plus 2 minus 1 into x plus 2 equal to 0. X plus 2 into 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2, 2x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2. When x is equal to minus 2, what happens? Here substitute. Case 1, case 2. If x equal to minus 2, in this we can substitute 4 into 3, 12, minus 2 alpha minus 2 equal to 0. So 10 minus 2 alpha equal to 0. So 10 equal to 2 alpha, alpha equal to 5. One of the alpha value. Similarly, if x equal to 1 by 2, then x equal to 1 by 2 substitute means 3 by 4 plus alpha by 2 minus 2 equal to 0. That implies that alpha by 2 equal to 2 minus 3 by 4. So alpha by 2 equal to 4 to 8, 8 minus 3 is 5, 5 by 4. So 2 runs to 2's, alpha equal to 5 by 2. After getting these alpha values, sum of all possible values of alpha. Therefore, sum of all possible values of alpha are 5 plus 5 by 2. So 2 5 is a 10 plus 5, 15. 15 by 2 is how much? 7.5. It is there in the second option, dear students. I hope everyone understand. We'll move to another question now. I'll drop this. We'll continue with another two questions. Alpha, beta are the roots of the equation x square plus ax plus b equal to 0 if alpha plus beta equal to 1 by 2 and alpha cube plus beta cube equal to 37 by 8, then a minus 1 by b equal to, so minus 1 by 6, 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 1 by 6. Next, another question. Here it is enough for the place. The solution set of the inequation root over x square plus x minus 2 is greater than 1 minus x is, first option open minus infinity to 2, second option open minus infinity to minus 2, 1 comma infinity, third option, fourth option 0 comma infinity. So another question here, maximum these three questions. I am going to end the session after that. The common solution set of the inequations x square minus 4x less than or equal to 12 and x square minus 2x is greater than or equal to 15 taken together is the first option open 5 comma 6, closed 5 comma 6, closed minus 3 comma 5, open minus infinity to minus 3, closed union, closed 5 to infinity. So these are the 4 questions. These are 3 questions, sorry. With these three questions, I will end the session and we'll continue with the other questions. So here, the first thing is alpha comma beta are the roots of this equation. X square plus ax plus b equal to 0. If alpha plus beta is 1 by 2. See first here, sum of the roots alpha plus beta equal to minus a minus x coefficient. So minus b by a, so minus a. Alpha plus beta value is given as what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equal to minus a, that implies a equal to minus 1 by 2. Am I right? Next, alpha cube plus beta cube and product of the roots also we can write it. Sorry, alpha beta equal to c by a. C by a means according to this question, b alpha plus beta value we got, alpha beta value also we got. Okay. Next here, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 37 by 8. What is the formula for a cube plus b cube? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So, alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta is equal to 37 by 8. Alpha plus beta value is minus a. Minus a whole cube means what? 1 by 2 whole cube only, no. Alpha plus beta is minus a. Minus a value. Minus a whole cube. So minus a value is 1 by 2 whole cube. Minus 3 into alpha beta is b. Alpha plus beta is minus a. Minus a means what? 1 by 2 is equal to 37 by 8. 1 by 2 whole cube is also 8, no? Minus 3b by 2 is equal to 37 by 8 minus 1 by 8. That value will bring this side. So minus 3b by 2 is equal to 36 by 8. 2 ones, 2 fours, 4 ones, 4 nines, 3 ones, 3 threes. That implies b is equal to minus 3. A value minus 1 by 2, b value minus 3. Therefore, what they are asking to find? A minus 1 by 2, a minus 1 by b. A value is what? Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by b means plus b value minus 3, no? So plus 1 by 3. So LCM is 6. 2 3s are minus 3 plus 2. So minus 1 by 6. So a minus 1 by b is equal to minus 1 by 6. It is there in the first option, dear students. This is the standard result, AQ plus BQ formula. Now come to the question, another question, inequality. Root of x square plus x minus 2 is greater than 1 minus x. Squaring on both sides, you have to do that. So x square plus x minus 2 is greater than 1 minus x. So what we will do is here, 1 minus x whole square only, no? So x square plus x minus 2 is greater than 1 plus x square minus 2x. X square get cancelled, minus 2x bring this side, total 3x. 1 also bring this side minus 3. So that implies that 3 take common, x minus 1 is greater than 0. 3 also bring that side, x is greater than 1. X is greater than 1 means x belongs to 1 to infinity. In the real number line, if you draw, this is 1, this is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. X is greater than 1 means from here to here. This is 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity is there in the third option, dear students. Okay, we'll move to another question. The common, they're asking to find the common solution set of inequations. What is the first inequation? X square minus 4x. If the 12 also bring this side, minus 12 is less than or equal to 0. Minus 12 factors, 6 and minus 2. So, x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 12 is less than or equal to 0. X into x minus 6 plus 2 into x minus 6 is less than or equal to 0. X plus 2 into x minus 6 is less than or equal to 0. That means x value lies between, here x plus 2 means, I will write it one more thing, x minus of minus 2 8x minus 6 is less than or equal to 0. X belongs to closed alpha comma beta. Alpha value is minus 2 and beta value is 6. Okay, dear students, we'll move to another inequality. In equation, x square minus 2x is greater than or equal to 15 means minus 15 bring this side and greater than or equal to 0. So minus 15 means 5 into 3. So x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is greater than or equal to 0. X into x minus 5 plus 3 into x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 0. So x plus 3 into x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 0. X plus 3 means x minus of minus 3 into x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 0. So we can write it as x belongs to open minus infinity to closed minus 3. You need to learn the formulas, dear students. X minus alpha and x minus beta greater than or equal to 0 means x belongs to open minus infinity to closed alpha union closed beta to infinity. What is beta in this? 5. Okay. Now, in these, what is the common interval they are asking to find? See, this is the real number line minus infinity to plus infinity. Real number line. So, 0, minus 2 will be here and minus 3 will be here and plus 5 and 6 is there, no? 5 or 6. Here plus 5 I am taking and plus 6 also I am taking here. So first closed minus 2 to 6. This is closed minus 2 to closed 6. Next open minus infinity to closed minus 3. Closed 5 to open infinity. In these intervals, so in this interval as well as in this interval, what will be common? This is the common interval in two intervals. So therefore the common interval, otherwise the common solution is closed 5 comma 6. It is there in the second option, dear students. I hope everyone understand. We'll come to another session in the next day, tomorrow, of possibilities there with another concept after 9:30. Sometimes I'm telling that I'll come to the session sometimes because of tidiness. I'm not able to come, dear students. I hope you understand. Okay, those who are watching first time, please share. It will be reached to more students. That is my intention to tell that. Especially remote areas, village area students, still they are not having any tuition points. Of course, internet is available, but they are not having any academies or tuition points. So it reaches, they can utilize. That is my intention to tell that. Thank you, dear students, for watching our channel, Maths with Panindra. Jai Hind. Thank you for your support. Yeah, just now they joined some students. Tomorrow morning or today night, if possible, I will come to the session, dear students. Thank you for joining. If possible, today night with a hyperbola second part, will come with 9:30 around. Okay, thank you.